Esshi Doll here and welcome back to Moon TV channel! For those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly click subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga bago nating videos. So today, I'm gonna teach you guys on how to set up your Payoneer account and how to cash out using Nium. Setting up a Payoneer account is very important para makash out mo yung mga earnings mo sa Bigo. Kaya tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-set up ng Payoneer account. First, kailangan nyo lang pumunta sa Payoneer site, which is the payoneer.com, or pwede din nyo tong gawin sa app and click sign up. You will be asked a few questions before you set up an account. So for Bigo Host, you can select freelancer. And dahil nagsisimula ka pa lang, you can select not yet. I'm just getting started. Then you just have to click register now. After that, you will be routed to another page and you just have to select individual. Then after that, fill in the following informations: your name on your government ID, your address, and your date of birth. Next, you have to choose your country, then fill in your address, your city or town, and also tatanungin din kayo doon kung ano ang inyong zip code. Kung hindi nyo alam ang inyong zip code, pwede nyo tong i-google. Next is, kailangan nyo din syempreng ilagay ang inyong phone number para mapadalahan kayo or masendan kayo ng verification code na gagamitin nyo sa pag-set up ng account. After nyo makuha ang verification code, kailangan nyo naman mag-set up ng unique password. So, kailangan kayo lang ang nakakaalam nito or yung mga malalapit lang sa'yo, pero mas isasuggest ko is yung kayo lang nakakaalam. Better gapitan nyo to ng mix, capital letters, small letters, numbers, and symbols. Next naman is you have to upload a government ID na kakailanganin mo for verification later ng iyong identity. And eto lang ang mga government ID na ina-allow or available dito sa Philippines. And if you're a Bigo host and wala ka ng mga IDs na nabanggit or government IDs, pwede mong tanungin or pakisuyuan yung iyong parents, siblings, or relatives na pwede pag-create ng account using their name. Sa pagka-cash out sa Payoneer, hindi mo naman kailangan na under your name yung account sa Payoneer kasi kailangan mo lang naman yung link para ma-cash out yung beans na na-earn mo sa Bigo. Choose whether personal or commercial bank account, and kung wala ka pang bank account, you can choose Union Bank and you can register online using just one valid ID. Just check both agree and you're done. To get your Payoneer account verified, you just have to check your pending task and click submit now. And also, you will be asked to send your valid ID or a picture of your valid ID. But remember, if you don't have these valid IDs, you just have to ask someone you can trust that has this ID to create an account. As a Bigo host, it is recommended na malaman nyo kung paano i-cash out ang mga beans na na-earn nyo during your live. And please be reminded na hindi kailangan na parehas yung name ng Payoneer account nyo at ng inyong Bigo account. Kailangan lang itong malink. Pag na-set up mo na ang iyong Payoneer account, pwede mo na itong i-link sa iyong Bigo account. Just open your Bigo account, click your wallet, and go to Beans tab and click Exchange Rewards, and dapat meron kang at least 6,700 bits to enter. Now naman, pag-uusapan natin on how to link your Bigo account to your Payoneer account. To link your Bigo account and Payoneer account, kung first time ka lang mag-withdraw, pwede ka lang click ng set up a new withdrawal para ma-transfer ito sa iyong Payoneer account. On the process, you will be asked to log in to your account that you are planning to link. So, after mo makomplete ang linking process ng dalawang account, pwede ka nang pumunta sa Exchange Rewards. Siguraduhin tama ang Payoneer account na nakalink before you request your desired amount. And you just have to wait at least 14 working days para transfer na ang inyong withdraw. And after 14 working days at wala pa ang inyong withdraw, please do approach your managers para mailapit ito sa mga admins ng Bigo Live. Kung gusto nyong magpalit ng nakalink na Payoneer account sa inyong Bigo account, please do approach your manager or a Bigo admin para mabigyan kayo ng change request form for your change ng Payoneer account na nakalink. Ngayon naman, tuturuan ko kayo ng withdrawal using Nium through GCash. On this process, hindi mo na kailangan mag-register sa Nium. Ang kailangan mo lang is fully verified ang iyong GCash account na gagamitin. To cash out using Nium, just select Nium and you will be directed to a form na kailangan nyo lang i-fill out ng mga correct informations. Make sure and double check na correct yung informations na ilalagay nyo dahil pag nag-fail ang inyong cash out, you have to wait for a few more weeks para maibalik ang inyong return. You have to choose Philippines and GExchange Inc. or GCash. Sa bank account, kailangan mong ilagay dito ang iyong phone number na ginamit sa iyong GCash account. And ganun din sa pangalan na dapat nagmamatch yung pangalan na gagamitin mo sa ginamit mo sa iyong GCash para ito ay ma-fully verify. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, kailangan yung ilagay ang inyong full name na ginamit sa inyong GCash account para ito ay ma-verified. Your first name, middle name, and last name. At kung inyong na-confirm na ito ay lahat ay tama at walang mali, just press save. And pwede na kayong pumunta ulit sa inyong Bigo account and click Exchange Rewards at ilagay ang desired amount na inyong biwithdrawin. You have to wait at least 7 working days bago kayo mag-follow up ng inyong withdrawal sa inyong mga managers. And tandaan, hindi porke naka-receive na ng withdrawal ang other Bigo Host ay makaka-receive na. Dahil there are processes behind and maraming gumagamit ng app na ito and you just have to be patient. Alright, I think that's it for today guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod nating video. And happy live streaming!